Your old buddy Speed the Sauceman here. Today we're going to do some Korean style kebabs. And I'll tell you what, you can do a lot of different variations again on it. You can use chicken, beef, pork, whatever suits your fancy, shrimp as we're doing here also. So what we've got here, we've got some shrimp, green peppers, yellow peppers, orange peppers, a little bit of red onion. You can also add pineapple to it, just kind of whatever suits your fancy. What we'll do here is we'll just finish out this kebab here. We'll put a little bit of pork on it. Then we'll add a little bit of little onion petal here. Then we'll add a little bit of red pepper to it. And we'll finish it off with a piece of pork in the tail end here. And now we'll sprinkle just a light coating of cookies flavor enhancer and all-purpose seasoning on them. Just adds a little bit of flavor to them there. Then we'll just brush a real light coating of our Korean sauce on it. And the reason I say real light, because then we'll coat them as soon as we pull them out of the oven or off the grill. But I like to just put just a little bit of light coating, just a little bit on the meat there. You don't want to put too much on, otherwise the sauce will have a tendency to burn on them. So we'll just do just a nice little light coating on them. We'll transfer these over to the little holder here. Now we'll get the shrimp ready. You don't want to get the shrimp on upside down, because that way they won't know which way they're swimming. So we're real careful there. Just kidding. Now we'll sprinkle just a little bit of flavor enhancer on those. And then again, we'll give them just a light brushing of the Korean sauce. And then when we're either doing them, like I say, on the grill or in the oven, when they're about, we figure they're about half cooked through, then we'll give them all just a half a turn, and then we'll brush the other side a little bit at that time. And there you go, you've got it all ready to go. We'll go in the oven, or again on the grill, whatever you like to do. You've got a nice bunch of Korean kebabs, and as always, stay in the sauce. The sauce America loves to eat. Cookies, that is. Smart cookies, use cookies.